A sea of mystery in Russia's Far East, where life abounds in every dimension. Airborne carnivores, land-dwelling titans, and Olympic swimmers. The stark facade hides one of the most vibrant ecosystems on Earth. A world of liquid fire and frozen land. In a barren realm, life thrives. The team of predators, the novice hunter, the patient mother. In a place without mercy, man and beast sustain each other. Miracles come to life, and life flirts with death. It's a bracing plunge into the Sea of Okhotsk.